Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use name manager in Excel. To use name manager in Excel, I have created this table. As you can see, there are office supplies, furniture, technology, and the total of this, and revenue, cost, profit, and tax. How much tax? So here the tax is 18%. First of all, we will calculate the tax. So from profit, to calculate this, what I'll do is I'll type equal to, I'll select this and multiply with, I have created one more table here. I'll select this and press enter. As you can see, I have calculated the tax, how much tax we are paying. And if I give this, I freeze this all and press enter, and if I drag till end, here you can see how much tax we are paying. And one more thing, to use name manager in Excel, what I'll do is, instead of writing this sheet 3 A2, what I'll do is I'll just provide the name here. And for this, what I'll do is I'll just go here and select this and provide the name from A2 to, I'll write tax rate and just press enter. Oh, I have to provide an underscore, tax underscore rate. Here you can see there is tax rate. And if I again write the formula here, what I'll do is I'll just write tax rate. As you can see, if I write tax, and the formula is popping up here, and if I press tab and just press enter, as you can see, now I can write the formula like this, and if I drag till end, the formula is changed to tax rate. Now I don't have to write these long references, and I can just write the formula. So this is the way you can write the formula in Excel by using name manager. And to see what kind of formula you have provided the names, for this there is one shortcut command, that is F3. If you press F3, you can see that the formula is there. I have given only one formula, that is tax rate. So this is the way you can provide the name manager in Excel. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.